Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and in this video let's talk about something interesting. This is the Realme Band. So this band is going to get launched on the February 5th to 2020, and this is just a quick preview to show you the design and what all the band is offering on its display. So this is the Realme Band, a basic budget band or a fitness tracker which is going to compete the likes of the Mi Band 3 or others in that price range. So we don't know the exact pricing, but let's show you the band itself. So this is how the Realme Band would look like. It's the simple name Realme Band, no special nomenclature given to it for in terms of numbering. And this is the front display of it. So it's a colorful display, and it comes with a single touch button towards the bottom where you can check out your steps, the heart rate, and the heart rate is measured whenever you go into that screen, or it also has the automatic heart rate as well. There's a cricket mode, and there's a yoga mode, there's run. So these are three modes that are shown here, but you can set other modes as well there. And whenever you're on some screen and you want to go deeper into that, you just have to long press on this one, and when you do that, it would give you the information, or it would take you further into that. So this is under the display of it. So if you go into the steps and you long press on this button, it will take you to the number of steps, the number of calories burned, the distance traveled, and also the time for the amount of activity that you had done. And these are the modes, and that's it in the display. And obviously there are different watch faces that you can choose from in the app, but right now we aren't going to show you that app. And on the back of the band you can see here's the heart rate sensor, and also there's some naming here. There's the mention of USB towards the top here, which means this has the USB charging. We'll also show you that. And the other side it says it's designed by Realme. So that's it on the back of the band. It's pretty easy to understand, and also the strap seems to be pretty flexible, and it's a single hole strap design which should be comfortable enough to use. And that's it with the design. Now, how to charge and what's the design with the USB part of it. So it says USB here, you just have to pull this out. I have always been a fan of these kind of designs where it's easy to actually charge the band, so you don't have to carry around separate chargers. Firstly, it's not about carrying it, but also keeping a track of where the charger is. With the many other bands, the proprietary chargers, you usually try to actually save them or keep them at a place, but you always lose them. Here with the Realme Band, that's not the case. It's USB-A charging, so you can directly plug this band into the USB charger and it would charge it. So it's the easiest way to keep it charged, and also it's pretty easy. You don't have to carry another charger along with the Realme Band. So that's it in this video. This was just a quick review of the Realme Band that is going to be launched on the February 5th alongside the smartphones that were supposed to be launched on that day. So stay tuned for the full unboxing, giveaway of this band, as well as the full review of this Realme Band whenever the band launches. So that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times more. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.